just want to go over a little bit about microscope usage and how we would use them if we had a physical one in our possession. So first of all, these are light microscopes, and this is what you would have in the classroom, and it works with light. So going through here, you have parts that you would put your eyes through. They're called the eyepiece, and typical eyepieces have a magnification that is 10 times your eyesight. So you can see that right here, it says 10 times. So anytime you look through an eyepiece, whatever the eyepiece is viewing will be magnified 10 times. They do come in different magnifications, but most commonly it's 10. Now, underneath the eyepiece, you'll notice that there are these gray objective lenses, and there's most of the time 3, sometimes there's 4 lenses. The lenses are also a way for you to magnify your specimen, that is whatever you're looking at. The lenses are mounted on the nose piece, and the nose piece can rotate so that you can view using any of those 3 lenses. So the other word for the lens is objective lens, and that you see right here. So there are generally 3 different objective lenses. There's the scanning lens, so that would be the smallest one. On ours in school, it's a 4 times your eyesight lens. And then we have a 10 times your eyesight lens, and then sometimes we have a 40 times your eyesight lens. In this particular tutorial, they have a 10x lens, a 40x lens, and a 100x lens. It is really important to note that if you are looking through a lens that is 100 times your eyesight here, the image comes up magnified 100 times, and then it goes through the eyepiece, and the eyepiece has a magnification of 10 times your eyesight. So this will be magnified 10 times. 100 times 10 is 1,000 times your eyesight. So remember, whatever lens you're looking through, if it's a 10x lens, it will be magnified another 10 more times. 10 times 10 is 100. If it was the 4x lens, it would be magnified times 10. That's 40 times your eyesight. Okay. So underneath the objective lens is a stage. Now this stage can raise and lower, and a lot of times it has little clips that hold on to your slides. And underneath the stage is usually a light diaphragm or light adjuster. This is a way to adjust the amount of light coming in. I'll show you how that works here in a minute. Underneath that is often your light source or your base that has the light on it that you can turn on and off. The light shines through the adjuster, through your specimen. So your object that you're looking at has to be clear or very, very thin. Through the lens, through the nose piece, and through the eyepiece to your eye. So inside of the body, where the nose piece is a series of mirrors that reflects the image a number of times in order for it to get here and bounce to where your eyes are. Keep that in mind when we do this lab. There is a bunch of mirrors reflecting your image. The arm is generally where we hold the microscope. If we were to carry it, we carry it by the arm and the base. On the arm are 2 knobs. And they're located right here and right here. This image points out a power switch. Sometimes the power's on the base. And the 2 knobs that are on the microscope's arm are the coarse focus and the fine focus. Now your camera on your phone will focus the image as well. So this is a way to get it from being blurry to clear, and the coarse focus will do that very rapidly and very, very quickly. Usually above it or sometimes on it is the fine focus, and that will be a really, really minor adjustment. And this is like getting it, like super high definition, amazingly clear. So usually we'd use the the coarse focus with the 4x lens and get it in focus. And then after that, anytime you increase the power, we would just use the fine focus to make it that crystal clear kind of image. All right. Again, you can use the light adjuster knob to also play with your image, and that is the general overview of the different parts of the microscope.